Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here, and welcome to this vlog. Very special. I thank God, man, for the gifts of life. I thank God for everything. So I'm just over here on the rooftop of Villa Menjelin, and in case you're new here, guys, subscribe. Don't miss today's vlog. Are very special, and today I'm just update you the story of my brother. So one-on-one, things are good here, and I'll just overseen. There's the fish pond, guys. Look, hey, I see some fish, guys. So when I'm on the top here, I see some big fish, man. Wow, there is some work going on here. They revised these balance stones, actually grade 1. So look, even that man is pulling the wheelbarrow, and the pour here. Let me show you. What here? See? Right there. So they pour there, so we don't want maybe sometime, man. The reason why we put that balanced grade 1 balance stones over there, the highway, walking highway. Actually, the walking highway is to prevent the mud and all stuff. So we just move on and on. Alright, guys, so at the same time I want to give you a brief tour about these indigenous trees. The reason why we're staying here, and as you can look on the videos, it have some broad leaves. And before going direct to the point, you can tell me in the comment section about the function of these trees. Yep, in our vernacular language we call it sebe. Yeah, it has some milk inside when you plug some leaves. So when I was kid, our grandparents told us some stories about these trees, and that story stick on my mind. So when I was in primary education, and actually, guys, I don't want maybe to touch my chest like that. I'm in perfect in terms of social studies, you know. So I'm captures the historical background about early man, like Homo habilis. So before going to early man, those stages, so our grandpa told us these trees, when you came with a panga and you make some mark, for example, let me show you. You make a mark, that's trees. You make a mark, and then after some few minutes, or we give some 1 hour, when you put some mark by using a panga, it will bring out some milk. So you left that milk until like 1 hour. You go back home, and then you came back with some 2 sticks, look like this way, and then where you make a mark, you go and put like this. You start roaring. So, and then it's create things like a gum. You go and then you cook, you boil on hot water until the water will be boiled, and you know the boiling point of the water, it's 100 degrees. When it reach 100 degrees, you left that gum to be cool, and then it's used for hunting animals, you know, like birds, like dove, wild those doves staying outside the compound, birds, you know. So if you don't believe, let me give an example. I'm just here to showing you. If you don't believe, I want to give you examples. I don't want to plug to I'm just over here to show you a little bit. Look, that's milk, white in color. If you don't believe, let me show you on this part here. You see, guys, milk coming out, but that one I'm not showing you exact. So I want to look the place where it can come out, come on, with some milk. I'm just looking for, let me see this part here. Look, so we want to discuss about these trees. You see the milk is coming, and we're just over here. Look, so those white milk, you see, white gum, and it's a gum. So we left some few minutes and it's dry up. When it's dry up, you may come with 2 sticks, and then you start oh, let me close down there. So there is some work going over there. So you start doing like roaring. So you go, and then I've already explained, you tie it on the stick, you press alongside the riverbank. When the birds came, it's when the birds came, it starts step on it. When the moment step it on it, it can't go. So that story stick on my mind. When I'm grown up, when I went to school, actually in primary school, so when I study social study, I get those things. How early man hunt some birds, especially Homo habilis, because I can't talk Homo erectus, Homo epitheca. We talk about Homo erectus, Homo habilis actually. I mean Homo habilis, because Homo habilis, it acts as a human being. The behavior of human being, it walks by 2 limbs. They have 2 hands. That's the features of Homo habilis. Yeah, they lighting fire, they can cook. So those stories, even they can hunt wild animals. So those stories stick on my mind. And nowadays when I see these trees here, I give you a good story about these trees. And at the same time, around the compound, it creates a good shade. These trees that you see here. So maybe in 10 years, these trees will be overcoming over large. It can create a big surface area and create a shade here. You see, between here. So it's just coming, those branches. It's come, and it can go over there. You see? So since the villa are being constructed were too small, imagine it's just like 3 years. Look, add more than 5 years. It created a beautiful shade here. And you can't believe, and the shade was too cold. The shade was too cold, man. So today's videos, at the same time, man, these videos concerning to the story of my brother. So today as I speak here, I went to the market to sell the goat, and I give that money because right now my brother joining to school, and we need to look other means way of my brother to join the school, guys. So I'm just over here to update you. So I'm heading outside and I want to see what is going on. I hope today's videos are very special. You can drop on the comment section and let me know what do you think about today's videos. So when on the rooftop, you can see, guys, and Tanzania not far, just we can walk by foot going that way up to Tanzania. So we stay near the border of Kenya and Tanzania, guys. Believe on me. Believe on me. If you don't believe on me, one day when you arrive to my village, I will show you Tanzania. We cross without passport because it's our neighboring country. So over here there is some work going on, guys. Down there. Unajinadi? Yeah, my friend. Hey. Down, my friend. Yeah, you make inaitwaje? Terrace ama? Terrace. Mitaro inaitwaje? Sio terrace. Tunnel. Tunnel. Beach. Sema terrace ni ile kwa No, ni ditch. Kwa sababu si kufanya agriculture. Tena si najua nini kwa mlima round. Inaitwa ditch. Mimi nifanya business, bro.
Ditch accounting iko hapa. So I met ditch, my friend.
Yes, I'll come and see.
Yeah.
Yes, they are making ditch. So when you have a lot of rain, the water can run away. You see. So I'm going to show you there. And at the same time, man, I see good improvement, huge progress. So the fish pond were being created good and cemented, putting some concrete down, so we don't have some issues about maybe fish pond leaking. No, we just create things at a time, and I really appreciate the work that have been going on at Villa Menjelin 2024, guys. In case you don't know Villa Menjelin, this one here on the rooftop, and one day I'll come up with a good idea to put some umbrella on top. Like, man, if we are going to the beaches, you see some umbrellas and some benches, you sit, you can have your cold drink and drinking, uploading your videos on top of the roof, like this one here, making stories. Wow, look, you can see, look, everywhere. When you're on the rooftop, you can see entire village, man. So let me take you outside to see what is going on. And I'm just here, man. I'm so grateful. I'm born and raised within this beautiful village here. Wow. Guys, it's 6:52 a.m. and it's a market day. Today is a Sunday, so we try to sell this goat of them here to the market. At least one of my brother joined to university, man, so no money here. I'm decided to sell my goat, and also we add the rest of the money that we have, so my brother will be able and join to university, guys. So this old goat that you see here, it went to the market. If you not believe on that, I'll take you to the market and you will see, guys. This one here, wow. Hey. Why didn't you know any? Wow. So he was the one who joined to school. So because of lack of money, man, I'm decided to sell all my goats. You know, at least my brother could join to school. Hey. Yeah. So we sold them, and the sun set from right there, from African Kenya. So it's early morning over here, and I'm just escorting this guy up the far end, and later we're going to the market. So guys, I'm asking him, did you go with this go to the market or you sell on the road? Yo, in market. In market.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll catch up you. I'll catch you. You know. So he was the broker. He know how to sell the goat, and we believe on him. So give all the goats. You know? So there's my brother over there. So it's early morning, man. It's early morning. It's early morning. So we try to catch up, and I see some goats passing over there. Hey, man, it's morning over here. So let's see. And I think this, sorry for that, I think this week, maybe from Thursday there, my brother could join the schools. you know. So we sell our goats, man. So at least you have something, you have something on your house you can sell. Yeah. Yeah. Stay. So man, escorting him at the far end over there. When I reach, I'll turn back to take my motorbike and I will run to the market. And today it's a market day, and actually our market day will be on Thursday. On Thursday and Sunday. So like today it's on Sunday, and we try to say, man, at least my brother could join to university. So right now we doesn't have maybe enough of money, and so man, because of a lack of money, so I'm decided to sell my goat to add my brother here. And as I told you, next week, which is tomorrow, we start a new week, he will join to university to study education, to be a teacher in future. So let's see. And guys, keep supporting me until the end by watching my videos, like, and also you can comment on today's videos, so nothing come on silver plate. You must work so hard. Let's see. Hey, let's see guys, it's early morning here. Come on. We'll move it, okay. So when I join Fernando, cows just behind us. There's the cow. I'm telling you. ¿Cómo? ¿Por un indarengarahan? Uchan. Take a U-turn. So I'm telling him, you just go, I'll come later. Whew. I was escorting them, so at least for the first time they try to negotiate the price on the road. But I'm telling him, you just go to the market, because you have so many people over there who are being populated, came from different cultures, different tribes. You can sell it rather than to solve the price on the road, first negotiation on the road, you know. For those who have bought some animal alongside the road, also he just a broker. You just go to the market and sell it, all the goods. You know, man, at the same time, it's good, man. It's good when my brother finished the schools, Form 4, and he brought a nice result. So we try to keep pushing him to go ahead, you know. So that is it. And I was talking this issue for my brother for several times on my videos, since he was making some bricks, and I was saying ABCD, you want to look at the money for joining universities, and also he need a laptop, but for now he can use a phone, you know. But I think maybe next year, the second year, when we get some money, we'll purchase for him a laptop. Next year, second year, I mean. So by now, he went to join for the first year. And guys, listen carefully. My brother chose a course of teaching. He wants to be in future, when he qualified, to be a teacher for the secondary school, you know. So at the same time, when I'm supporting my mom, also my brother support my mom, you know. And the rest of our young brother and sister, we just do so. So you can see it's everywhere, it's green, you know. Yeah. So man, I'm just on my village, and I want to say nothing came easy. You must work for it, and at least you're good to go. You see, some kids are going to sell the car, you know. So it's a market day. Whew. Man, enjoy today's vlog, and very special. I can't complain on that. So look, this is our African land over here, and the sun's coming from other side, from the middle of east and set west, you know. Look, that's the beauty of the sun. Wow. And guys, technically I'm heading home for now. I was escorting that guy, and then I'll wear the jacket and I'll run to the market. Yup. Whew. It is a serious matter. It's a serious matter. So for now, let's pass this way. I don't want to go long. Let me use shortcuts over here. You see, it's a small road passing inside here. Me, I'm always saying God is good all the time, and God is everywhere, you know. I never expect this, you know. So like yesterday, we tried to talk with my mom, put the mind together, and I said, Mom, we have no any other issue, you know, no other idea. So no one who can maybe trust our family, and maybe you can borrow money from friends. They can trust us, you know. So, or else I'm decide sell all my goods and if the money are not enough, you can sell the bag of maize, and my brother will continue. You know, later on I'll purchase maybe 2 bags of maize. Don't worry about it. The only issue we need is my brother went to school, but when he doesn't want to join to school because of money, villagers will start laughing on us. At least we sacrifice ourselves, and my brother continued the study, you know. So me, I'm just over here. I'm coming home, man. This is what I'm calling home. This is where I'm born and raised, on this small humble family here. Wow. Let's go. Let's go and see. You know. And to be honest, we remain with one goat. That is for my brother, and the reason why we didn't say that goat is pregnant, you know. So we decide we'll not say the goats which are pregnant. We left it here. See, so this black goat, it's pregnant, so we decide we will not sell it. This one here, you know, that one black goat there. Wow. Maybe when I stand here from my project, you see that sun, how it's set, but I think it's already set right there. There's the sun right there. Wow. So let me give some few minutes. I'll catch those guys on the market, and I'll show you everything, man. Woo. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, good morning. You said morning to you. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to you.
Yes, so mom went to the river fetching water at the same time. Today's on Sunday. So kyosonga murombekere. When you tend ending. Rocket. So mom, she went to the river, man. And I'm telling him he'll make sure that when I came from the market, I would open the gate. So he was a secret agenda between me and my mom. Oh, wow. This is our water tank. Yesterday I brought them here. So right alone, and this tank is 2-in-1. You can put on the ground, look, or you burn the grills, this one here. So guys, I want to say stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, and I need to rush to the markets to done 1, 2, 3, and I'm showing you whether they sold on the road or in the market. So don't want to black things, guys. So guys, I'm just here heading to and I need to capture my brother right now. So guys, I needed to capture my brother, as I told you. Today's a market day, and it's a distance by itself. So after so many goats, I want to escort you to them. So look, even other people from the car. But it's a quite a chilling area. Wow. And you can tell in the comment section what do you think about today's videos. But for me, are very, very special. I can't complain, you know. So you can see how everything should be shining, and it's like it's green everywhere. Woo. So I drive slowly out to the market. There's tomatoes going to the market. The beautiful house over there. You can tell the comment section. And you see, so I'm keep going, and when I reach there I want to show you the exact. I don't want to maybe shoot videos at home and then it's end home. No, I must show you the exact thing from A to Z, you know. That's the good and best videos ever. Let me get to it. Amazing. There's some cow. There's some cow. Look. What? So guys, I want to check my brother over here. Guys, they have already sold the goat. Yeah. Just over here. Sini, that's here. Na urusiri
nenda na rahetar
amani wachacho nani ni tarango
komun ruane no kota manyere teka usutro ka
ya ke takma na wa muche bora
no diganki unte biana rata turisro ko
ataro ora nuroi
Piri, yani hanuru chante ki
irenga mumuri
haruni chira ko tebi chinsiri
irenga
mahara bana baguri ji balti ka ba hangora muromo ni barna
irenga
tamani na kama chikoro mana ni chikabitivu ko daga
guys, they have already sold the goats, and we try to see this. So I wanna go back home. They have already sold the goat and ran away because to use other means of transport. So let's see. And I wanna take you to the market for the chickens where have been sold, and then we'll see. I think guys, you have already seen the color of my goat and all stuff, you know. So just like that. Ooh. You see the big goat right there. Wow. So may pass other routes, they pass other routes, but I'll make sure things have been going on. Some cows are going to the market. Let's see, and you can tell in the comment section what did you think about these videos that are very, very special. And I'm heading down way to show you. Let's see. It's amazing by itself. At least I make sure that I came to the market and show you what's going on. They are being sold medicine there, traditional medicine. Woo. Let's see. It's a nice. Ni renga. Kini kaya wakanguli chinkanga hewa hira.
Chinkanga profile. Kuchirembe kya hino kulitaba ichi.
Kutunanda kina machuchu.
Oh.
Irenge.
Yakakora 850. Wacha hadi.
Meena kuchirabi.
Yeah.
Meena.
Sawa kini veo. Nimejitaba.
Wow guys, so we're outside like this and I want to see what's going on over here. So on the other side they tried to scoop this good one landstones and it was being crushed by machine. These are not human being crushed, it's a machine. You see, so they were being transported from here to other side. See, from this point here. And it's so expensive, man. It's expensive. You see? So it's so expensive, you know, when I'm telling you this were being sold per ton. This one here. Because that being said, its machine were being crushed, so it's so expensive. I think 1 ton, man. I'm not bought this one, but I know it's sold by 1 ton. Man, this one that you see here, if you bought like 1 tipper, like for mine goes to around 150 USD, but this one here before reach to your site, man, you'll sweat a lot. You will sweat a lot. No problem. And over here, Nyangoko, over here,
what's up guys?
you are basking the sun.
Just basking the sun.
So,
how is everything?
Everything is good.
Yeah.
So me, I'm just over here chilling. You know, when you don't see me here, I was working at my home, maybe in terms of maybe project.
Yeah.
I'm running with my project, and I think the end of September, my family will be enjoying by using a modern toilet.
Okay.
So, sometime when I get free time, I'll join you.
Okay.
When I doesn't have some work to do.
Okay.
Yes, like for now, I'm free. Like 2 days, and then I'll be back on my project. Today's Sunday.
Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to this amazing vlog today. My name is Gake. We're just over here trying to do some 1, 2, 3 stuff over here so that we can just ensure that everything is just on its amazing pace. So if you're first time watching this, kindly hit that subscription button, like the video, and also share to your family, to your friends, and to your beloved one. So here we go. Subscribe to Hello Baby official YouTube channel, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel at Gake01. I shall appreciate it.
Guys, one day, me and Mr. Gake, we create a story, man. We came from far.
Yeah.
We have some good story for you coming.
You just be tuned.
Yeah.
Keep waiting.
How we struggle on this life, man. So one day we create a story. So let me show you. Mr. Gake, kana supatizi kanga main. Nin? Hey. So I'm telling Mr. Gake to give the infant some maybe maize corn. So he said they were being given inside. Maybe they want to lay some eggs. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, there's some food inside. The again found doves. Hey. Look at this. Hey. They're eating food. Yes. Wow. So I will take you to this point and to see what is going on actually on the new transformation of the fish pond. Wow. So let's see. Amo, come on, man. Whew. Yes, guys. So I'm going on this side here to show you, and then I'll take you back. Musabi, take yours. So guys, this is the new fish pond, man. Hey, congratulations to I am Marwa. So upcoming fish pond, and maybe on Thursday we'll pump water inside here. So we left this part to be concrete enough, and then we make some cleanness, clean the tiles. When you start pumping water from the river, we don't want maybe the water to be look dirty, so we clean. We talk with Mr. Gake, we clean this part of the cement everywhere, and I think it's two, this one on the other side. So we'll do some thorough cleaning on the fish pond. You can tell in the comment section. So I'll talk with the mason whether this place will be concrete, and then we start maybe cleaning the serious, so it look clean like other side. Look guys, so it has some outlet and inlet. I think this one, when water it's filled, it can use that pipe. When it goes down, it can use the down pipe, and it has also the outlet. I think it's right there, so maybe here. Ooh. All right, but for me I see the pipe here, guys. That one there. Wow. So we'll make cleanness here. Hey, hey. Oh guys, let me check this water. Yeah, by now it's full and it's clean, guys, because these trees here store some water. Woo. Look, it's clean. Wow. So let me see what they're doing on other side. On other side, you know. Hey. You see, they try to put this concrete so to avoid the leakage of the water, and I think it can't leak. Man, we make cleaners here with Mr. Gaki. One of these days. Hey, this is a wheelbarrow. When you say wheelbarrow, there's some construction going on. Najinadi.
Yes,
We are making a ditch. Sasa maji atakimbia.
Yeah. Yes. Maji lazima yatoke mbio. In a leaning way. Yeah.
So me, I think,
Yeah.
I'll tell Marwa to, when you construct a foundation of a ditch,
Yeah.
so when water coming there, it can have some easy movement of running direct.
Go in the river. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, my name is Kenneth, the Remedy King Soto Sangara, the big fish. Today I'm here for the Villa Margin for the work, guys. Yeah, I call in what? I call in ditch. Eh?
Ditch.
Yeah, ditch. And here, this here, and the tunnel. Yeah, so guys, search Kennedy and Scott the Remedy too. Please guys, subscribe my channel. Push me road to 1,000 subscribe, guys. Manga new day, guys.
Okay, fanya kazi uone vile unafanya
No
kazi.
problem, no problem. Work.
Okay, yes, Mossad John. I have a new channel. So go there, subscribe my channel. What do you need to 100 subscribers? Because I'm new there.
For you need 100 subscribers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right now I'm doing the job, I'm hitting.
Yes. Compacting.
Together.
You are not hitting, compacting. You are combat.
Yeah, but I'm hitting.
It's not hitting, it's combat.
Combat, that's the way I'm hitting. In a compact.
Yeah.
Compact.
You are hitting.
I'm hitting and then I got compact.
Okay.
Yes.
So you see the work for today, guys. So imagine, unajua sasa kama ni kutengeneza mtaro, mungesogeza udongo kidogo. Unaona penyewe ni niko hapo na hapa, mtengeneza sana kimbia hivi. Hata kama hapo ni sehemu ya kutembea, anaweza choma giriri afunike juu, unaweza tembea ukienda bila shida. Yes. So we're talking about this distance, and here you create a ditch like this one here, so the water can run, and then on the top they can put some grill like a ladder, and then you can walk without worry.
African boy.
Bado hujapewa sururu.
African hapa sasa. Ukipiga kwa nguvu, unajua kuna pipe chini. Unaweza kupiga pipe sururu itapotea pipe. Pipe is burst. So my boss has told me he's digging slowly because he's here. Pipe is too much. It's around here. It's a lot. Yeah. So you digging kwa nguvu unasemaje?
By using energy.
Yeah, by using energy, my friend, you burst it pipe.
Okay, endelea na kazi.
No problem, my friend.
Okay, all right guys, so I'm going on the other side and I want to show you what's going on just over here. So you see, maybe when you are walking here during the night, you can't hit your leg on the stones. Just over here, you see, they keep moving on over here. Wow. So at the same time, you make the cleanness for the fish pond.
I want to remove, I go and bring the net there.
Net?
Yeah. I want to see how they're going to do this.
By removing the leaves?
I want to remove all the leaves from inside it, and then she just be putting net.
Okay. What's the purpose of putting net?
To reduce it helps to prevent leaves falling from the water.
Okay, you cover the all
Yeah, on top.
on top.
Yeah.
So do you bought the net
The boats we have it.
for the fish?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good idea. And maybe for the we call for the predator.
Yeah.
Yes, there's some birds
It's known as
try.
predator nets.
Yes, predator net. It prevents some birds. They want to eat fish here. Yes. So you can't remove these leaves all here. Unajua matao mengine yanaweza anatengeneza vitu samaki zinakula. Unajua hiyo? Yeah.
Maybe you can just continue moving. And then do your net basi.
Guys, for the first time using this stuff here. So Mr. Gake tried to give me tricky situation. Alright, let's try. Okay, I'll go on the other side because there's no place you can throw the leaves. Oh. Let's see. Let's try our best, man. So at least when you clean this fish pond on tiling, it's look clean, guys. Nowadays, wow. So I thank God it's clean. Wow. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, and you shall enjoy today's vlog, man. Guys, there's some fish running here. Look. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, guys. Look. You see? The red, that's the fish. And I see the big one here. Because the water is not clean right now. We try to clean the fish pond. And Mr. Gak is tightening the net.
Yeah.
Okay, let me pass. Try to remove some leaves here, guys.
I'm just trying to open this so that I can just do the. So that's how it is.
There is some fish, look. They think it's food. You just wait, look. You see?
So keep watching the video. Here we go.
Look, man. So guys, we just over here, the work proceeds. So we want to put the fish net to avoid predator eating fish. So we want to cover, and at the same time there's some droplet of the leaves, like these trees here, drop some leaves here. At the same time, man, I see some fish here. Maybe. Look. Look. That's the fish. You see? So it's running. So we want to put this net here, and it's stretching. So when leaves drop on the net, like this one here, it can give you easy to collect and then receive the fish pond. So guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. Let me meet for the next videos, which is tomorrow. I want to say bye bye. See you.